Hello, I'm in a 2014 Mazda CX-5, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you want to start the vehicle, and then typically you'll need to wait a few moments for everything to load properly. In the meantime, make sure your device is turned on. With every device is different, but you want to have something like this blue symbol highlighted. And then from there you can get to your whatever the Bluetooth screen looks like for your phone. That's what it is on this device. So from here you want to go to your phone options, and then it might take a few moments for this all to boot up, but we're going to set up the Bluetooth. So in here it shows there's a lot of empty slots, so I won't need to delete a phone first. If this is all full, you might need to delete a phone first to connect a new phone, but we're going to add a new device. So now it's in a searching for device mode. So from your device, you also need to scan until you see something pop up for this vehicle. There's the Mazda, which would be what we're looking for. And then it'll typically pop up like a code of some sort you need to confirm. But yep, so here's with some random numbers, which matches here. So hit pair on your phone and yes on the vehicle. And it did give you an option to change those numbers if you want, but I don't particularly know why you would. But at this point, you can link up your phone contacts and whatnot, make it easier for taking some of your phone calls while driving. I don't need to do that for this tutorial. But anyways, that should be it. You should be able to listen to music now. Like I said, take phone calls, things like that while driving. Sometimes it takes a few attempts to connect, just how unfortunately electronics go. You also might need to be parked, because a lot of vehicles don't allow you to connect to Bluetooth and things like that while moving. So it might be something else you can try if you're having issues. And then again, like I already mentioned, make sure you've got room for new phones to connect if needed. But anyways, that was it. I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.